One thing I love about Afro Kinky bulk human hair extensions is that you can never run out of hairstyles to try. This time I decided to try boho braids but with the kinky extensions, and I love how they turned out. I used 22-inch long Afro Kinky bulk hair from QVR. The quality is amazing, especially the type of curls. And I love the fact that I didn't have to spend a lot of time prepping it. So I decided to section my hair first and then go in with the extensions later on. I did medium-sized box braids and I braided like around 10 times. So this is how the sectioning turned out. To prep the bulk hair, I worked in small sections, combing my fingers through and focused on stretching the ends. I pulled out any loose hair and placed it back in the bundle until everything was stretched and even. To attach it to my hair, I added a piece of the bulk hair at a time and secured it by braiding a few times before pulling out the hair. I ended up using around 2 to 3 pieces of the bulk hair per box braid. Please note that I used the last piece or the third piece of bulk hair to extend the length. So I didn't pull out those pieces. I only pulled out the first piece and the second one. The third one was mainly for extending the length. So this is the final look without using any product. The next step was to define the curls, and I used Eco Styler gel. I applied the gel on each piece of extension and did a finger coil to define the curls. As you can see, this bulk hair from QVR has a really nice curl pattern, especially when the product is all dried up. This is how the hair turned out. I love that it's very light and the curls look really nice. The fact that I can reuse these extensions as many times as I want is a plus for me. This hairstyle is perfect for this season. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.